Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be tackling this refrigerator. It was in need of a deep clean, and that is definitely what I am about to do. Also, I am going to be prepping some fruit and vegetables. You guys, I have been so proud of myself. I have really been on this journey where I've been juicing more and just consuming more fruits and vegetables, not just for myself, but I have been making it a point to make this available for my family as well. I have really just been doing a lot of research on how to just get our bodies back in, complete health. And I've been changing up a lot how I cook. We've been consuming more salmon, different fish. I've been eliminating chicken for the most part just because I have been doing a lot of research on that. So there's been a lot of different changes in how I'm preparing meals. I feel I am becoming more excited in being in the kitchen because I'm creating and, just experimenting with new recipes that I'm finding online. And, it's been just interesting to see how my family has been responding to these new recipes and they're actually enjoying it. So I am just so excited about just where we are as a family right now and just how I have been so intentional in my shopping, just wanting to make sure that I'm consuming more fruits, more vegetables. Of course, in this video, you will see pizza boxes, but we have not been eating pizza for about 3 weeks now as of this voice recording. So we've really changed up a lot. You will see in a future video just how different a lot, we have as far as how we've been consuming foods. Trying, even if we do takeout, we are very intentional in the types of takeout that we're doing. Of course, we have our little guilty pleasures that we like to indulge in, but I'm just like I said, I'm juicing more. We're consuming more healthy smoothies. Like it's just a complete 180, and I'm so happy about it. But like I said, you will see in a future video just the different changes that have been made. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Veronica, and I have a lot of different content on here. So I'm sure there is something on here that you would like to see. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure that you are liking these videos. It takes a lot of effort in recording and editing. A lot of times my footage can be extremely long and I have to go through hours of footage to condense it down because I know sometimes people don't like to watch longer videos, but it really helps my channel when you like the videos and also comment. I do want to get to know you guys. I want to conversate with you all. So please feel free to comment, share anything that you like that pertains to this video. And I would love to conversate back with you in the comments. So I'm going to stop talking right now, but I will be talking to you a little later in the video. Y'all, I struggled with this thing for about 10 minutes, and then my son comes and helped me and do it in about a minute. Yeah, that's why I hate taking these things out, because I struggle with putting them back in. So, you all, I just got done with the refrigerator. I did not show me cleaning everything. I didn't show the bottom portion, but I did get that clean as well. I am about to grab a clean rag because I do not want to use the same rag I was using to clean the refrigerator. So that's why I was showing you all the rag that I just got out of the drawer. But I am about to juice me one of my favorite concoctions, which is the apples and carrots and ginger root. I love that concoction. It is so delicious. Now, this juicer that I am going to be using in this particular video was a juicer that my oldest son got me last year for Mother's Day. It definitely does work. It does what it needs it to do. The only dilemma is it was not getting all of the juice out of the fruits and vegetables. And you're going to find that, considering, how much money you're willing to spend. I mean, of course, the higher the juicer you buy, or I would say the more expensive the juicer you're willing to buy, the better quality it's going to be. But like I said, for the most part, it did what it needed to do. But you can also always tell if a juicer is good quality because of the pulp. The pulp will either, if it's too wet, let me just say it this way, if the pulp is too wet, then you know it's not really getting all of the juices out of the fruits and vegetables. If the pulp is more on the dry side, you know it's great quality. So I have recently invested in a new juicer. It was a little more on the expensive side, but it was such a great investment because I am so in love with it. It does phenomenal in juicing and extracting all of the juice from the fruits and vegetables. I have pretty much been using this juicer pretty much every day. We'll definitely be showing you all in a future video so y'all can see what this juicer can do. And I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the money. But I just wanted to share that with you all because you will definitely see a difference. I think I showed in this video, I'm not sure what the pulp looks like, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this juicer. Right now it is put up because my new juicer has taken its place. But yeah, I'm going to be also sharing some future other juices that I have been consuming if y'all are interested in that as well. But I've just been extremely, like I said, excited with this new journey that I've been on. I can definitely tell a difference in my energy levels and just, I'm just monitoring and keeping track of the different things I'm noticing as I continue on this journey. Y'all, I am so tired. Um, I still need to, I need to tackle the floor in the closet. Um, there's some dark scuff marks on the floor, so I need to clean the carpets in there. I'm gonna try to get it done today. I still gotta wash. Right now, I'm just washing my cat's blankets. So once I get done with that, I'm gonna wash our clothes, and then what else do I need to do? Whew, y'all. Right now, I'm about to take a break. I'm about to eat. I have not ate all day. Um, y'all saw me make some carrot juice. I actually made the first batch for my husband, and um, I just had enough carrots for one serving. So I did my carrots, well, the prep work. Y'all saw that, well, a little bit. I didn't want to bore y'all. But that took me about 30, 35 minutes to peel all the carrots. I got them cut, washed, cleaned, which makes it so much easier when I prep my stuff before the week starts. So the kitchen is clean. I do need to tackle my cabinets and my pantry door. Oh my gosh, those cabinets look horrible. But I ordered me some, they're kind of like the Mr. Clean sponges. But I found some on Amazon that works just as good and they're cheaper. So I'm waiting on those so I can tackle my cabinets. Like I said, they look so horrible, it's not even funny. But I need to really clean those cabinets. And it's the cabinet doors. Um, I do need to mop. I probably won't mop today. I might mop tomorrow. And what else? Hmm. Whew, y'all. I, like I said earlier, I did go to Publix, bought my fruits. I like going to Publix to buy fruits and vegetables. I think the quality of their fruits and vegetables are so much better than Kroger, but I like Kroger prices on everything else. So I did take advantage of some of their buy one get one deals at Publix, which I do make it a point to do that to save, some money. And I only take advantage of the buy one get one deals on items that I would normally buy. So yeah, but I will probably do the rest of my grocery shopping tomorrow just because I don't feel like I could go back today and get the rest of my groceries, but I'm just going to wait and do it tomorrow. Um, so I've already vacuumed upstairs. I didn't show that. I do need to spray because it is starting to get warm now, and y'all know I use the Home Defense spray throughout my home, and it does a really good job. Like it says on the bottle, it lasts, I think it's 6 to 8 months, and it's true to its word. So I try to stay on top of it to keep it sprayed down so we're not seeing like spiders and stuff like that around the house. Um, but for the most part, I think I'm good. I am planning on making another dump cake. My family love these dump cakes I be finding online, and they're so convenient. They're very easy to make. Um, so I plan on making one. Um, I think I'm gonna do like a cherry. It'll be like a plain one, like a cherry cobbler, but it'll be a cherry dump cake. I'm gonna do that. The cherry pineapple dump cake was a hit, but um, I think I wanted to try just the cherry to see how that turned out. Um, what else? I feel like for the most part, that was pretty much all I needed to do. Um, but I hope y'all are enjoying this video. I do try to capture, you know, certain things that I'm doing throughout the home because I don't really know what y'all like to see. But this is just kind of what I will be doing anyway. So I was like, let me just turn the camera on and just, record what I'm doing anyway, Um, but yeah, I think for the most part, I'm good. Oh, be looking out for a very cool video I got planned in the near future. It will be very soon because I'm so anxious to do it. But I am going to be setting me up a coffee slash tea bar. And I know exactly where I want to put it. I've been looking on Amazon for the um, the setup that I'm looking for, and yeah, I'm excited. I was telling my husband about it. I was showing him my vision, and he was like, "That would be a really cool idea." And I'm like, "I feel that too." But I feel like it is really going to elevate the vibe in this home, and I'm super excited. So be looking out for that. I'm so excited to do that. Me and my husband also have been talking about redoing our back patio. It's definitely in need of new paint. So we were trying to figure out, do we want to strip the paint first? Because I know professionally, if you want it to last longer, we need to sand the whole balcony, which, oh my gosh, just looking at it, I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, I don't know. That's a lot of work. But we will have to sand it, then stain it, then paint it. So we are talking about doing that soon. So that will be another video. And also, me and my husband have been thinking, thinking about redoing our fence ourselves. We had someone come out and price how much they would charge us to do a really nice fence all around. Y'all, they told us $38,000. I was like, no, sir, no, thank you. I am not paying that type of money for a fence. No. So we have been on YouTube, looking at how to do it ourselves, save some coins. So that's something else. And I've mentioned this in the past. I definitely am going to be, I don't know if you would call it repurposing. I don't think it's so much repurposing, but I do want to fix my dining room table. It is just looking horrendous, and it needs to be stripped. We will have to sand it really good, stain it. I don't know if I want to paint it. I'll just have to see what it looks like after we strip it, see what we're working with. But this will be my first time doing it, so I'm super excited about that. I am a little nervous. Anytime I'm doing something new, it can be a little intimidating, but I think I'll be able to do it. Once I put my mind to it, I think I could do it. So that would be something else coming soon. And we were just kind of waiting to do that until, once it got warm. So now it's finally starting to look like we're in spring. So, yeah, so we got some different projects in mind. Also, another project that we are talking about getting done is our upstairs ceiling. We have some issues going on with the ceiling, so we're going to take care of that too. But yeah, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat some lunch, and I will see y'all in a little bit.